Hakuna CDF.
CDF Gatoro South hakuna. Ni ya familia moja ya kina Moses Kuria.
Yote.
Walipo ofisi ya.
Ana ndo MK. MK yako na ndo para.
Ile huko kake yao. Kwa hiyo
What? Unaongea alafu. Nani anaongea alafu?
Naitwa Samora Maragi Murage. Na mimi ni chairman wa drivers and conductors of Gatundu South. Na tumekosa maendeleo ya MP wa kwetu Gatundu. Tunasikia kwa Nyandarua kwa wapi na wapi. Sasa Gatundu kama imesimama. Ile kitu tunashukuru tu ni president. Barabara zote Gatundu South ni president. Lakini kijengwa Moses anajenga mbao yake mahali anasimamisha huko. Lakini hatuko na vita na yeye, lakini anavaa kae nyumbani atusaidie watu wa Gatundu. Hatuna CDF, si radio hii. Tulijego vijana wana kazi ndio watu mnawaona. Mocha ndio ya kuwa na mti sasa watu wanaraswa nyumba ya mtu para kwa hospitali.
2017 kipindi cha kwanza cha ubunge cha Mheshimiwa Moses Kuria, Gatundu South ilikuwa inapata pesa ya maendeleo kama maeneo mengine yote nchini Kenya. Na kwa hiyo pesa huwa inatakikana iwe na uwajibikaji, ihusishe umma, hiyo pesa igawiwe kwa njia yenye ni equitable. It should be equitable, participatory and accountable to the very people that elect people to office. So we are here as employers, not as anything else. We are the employers of every single politician in this country, the voters. And the power rests with us. That is why we took up this initiative of wanting accountability. Accountability of monies that are submitted to this constituency by the national government. This is not politics. This is nobody's brief that I'm holding. I'm doing my civic duty as a resident and as a voter of Gatundu South. In 2017 March, we lodged a petition seeking the EACC to conduct an audit of all the projects that have been carried out in Gatundu South under the National Government Constituencies Development Fund. That we did. Justice may take long, and we understand that they have a backlog of cases. Now, on top of that, we have been keeping on doing follow-ups on that very petition. Now it has come to a time when we are almost running out of patience with the justice system. And today, myself and others who had written the initial petition have decided to take the extra step to seek the intervention of our judiciary. Our able judiciary will have to come in now and tell us exactly what is the way forward with our national government Constituencies Development Fund. My constituents, we will get angry with anybody, and that word anybody should be marked. Anybody who misuses public funds, we will get angry with you. We will grow angry with you. If you do not want to involve us in our taxes, how the taxes are run, it is our affair now to involve you The employer now has come down to you and he is telling you account for every single shilling that is sent to NGCDF, Gatondo South. I'm angry not at his person, I'm angry at the office of National Government Constituencies Development Fund. This office is run under his careful watch. We are together that far. It is run under his careful watch. And this office needs to be accountable to the very people that put it in place in the first place. The people who elected those leaders, the people who elected the MP are myself and those that are behind me. I'm angry because participation as guaranteed for every single project is something that is alien around here. We want equitability. That means we can't just run projects in one concentrated area. We want those that feel marginalized to also feel the warmth of national government CDF or funds. The 2017 petition was lodged with the EACC on the 10th day of March 2017. That is why I said this is not about politics. For those that think that I'm working with the current wave of the national politics, I'm not doing that. Because in 2017...
Can we see the petition?
Yeah, the petition is right here with me, with our judiciary. It's a follow-up to the EACC document that was written and deponed on 10th of March 2017. So this is a follow-up